A special request made by Julie Chrisley has been denied by the judge. The Chrisley Knows Best star asked to appear at her upcoming resentencing hearing remotely. However, a judge ruled that Julie would need to be there in person. Keep reading to learn the details of Julie's resentencing. Julie Chrisley asks to appear remotely for resentencing. Todd and Julie Chrisley are both currently serving time in prison for bank fraud and tax evasion. Last September, their sentences were reduced to 10 years for Todd and 6 years for Julie. The couple is attempting to appeal their convictions. Last month, the court decided that Julie wasn't justly sentenced. There was little evidence to prove that the reality show star knew about the bank fraud before 2007. As we previously reported, Julie Chrisley will be resentenced in district court next month. Although the family was happy to hear about the court's decision to resentence Julie, the Chrisley Knows Best star did not want to appear in person. She filed a motion that explained appearing in Atlanta for the court would cause her undue physical hardship. Julie will have to be transferred via a facility in Oklahoma City or placed in a van for a long period of time to travel. On top of that, she will have to remain shackled the entire time. Alex Little, Julie's attorney, explained her desire to appear remotely. Because Mrs. Chrisley is presently in the custody of the Bureau of Prisons, BOP, outside the state of Georgia, BOP likely would transfer her via the transfer facility in Oklahoma City or place her in a van for a lengthy, multiple-hour trip while shackled to facilitate her appearance in court, he stated. The courthouse where Julie has to appear is around 400 miles away from where she is serving her prison sentence at FMC Lexington in Kentucky. Judge denies Julie's request, demands her to appear in person. Judge Eleanor L. Ross denied Julie Chrisley's request to appear at her resentencing remotely. The judge made the decision on Wednesday, August 7. She demanded that the Chrisley Knows Best star appear in person in Atlanta in September. Not only that, but she wants Julie to be in cuffs. The judge issues a notice to law enforcement stating, "You are hereby commanded to have the body of Julie Chrisley by you restrained of her liberty." Judge Ross continued, demanding that Julie be in the courtroom every day until she is discharged by the court. After that, she wrote that Julie would be sentenced and receive and abide by the judgment of this court in the above entitled case, thence to be returned to the custody from which she came. Julie Chrisley is scheduled to be resentenced on September 25 at the District Court in Atlanta. In the world of reality television, where every move of the Chrisley family is scrutinized by millions, the latest development in their legal saga has captured unprecedented attention. The ongoing drama surrounding Julie Chrisley, matriarch of the Chrisley Knows Best dynasty, has taken a new twist as a federal judge recently denied her special request for a leniency in sentencing. This legal battle, marked by twists and turns, now finds itself at a critical juncture, with repercussions that could resonate through the corridors of reality TV and beyond. Julie Chrisley, the charming and outspoken star of the hit show, has always been a figure of fascination for fans and critics alike. Known for her lavish lifestyle, charismatic personality, and sometimes over-the-top antics, she became a household name thanks to her family's reality series. However, behind the glitz and glamour, Julie and her husband, Todd Chrisley, have been entangled in a serious legal struggle involving allegations of financial misconduct. The legal woes began several years ago when federal prosecutors charged Julie and Todd with tax evasion and bank fraud. The charges stemmed from accusations that the Chrisleys had engaged in a scheme to evade taxes and defraud lenders, actions that allegedly contributed to their seemingly boundless wealth. The case attracted widespread media attention, not only due to the Chrisleys' high-profile status but also because it highlighted broader issues related to financial accountability and celebrity excess. As the legal proceedings unfolded, Julie and Todd's public personas were put under a harsh spotlight. The once vibrant image of a perfect Southern family faced scrutiny, and fans watched with bated breath as the drama played out in courtrooms rather than on television screens. In a bid to mitigate the potential fallout, Julie's defense team filed a special request for leniency, hoping to influence the judge's decision on her sentencing. This request was based on several arguments. Julie's defense team highlighted her charitable work and her role as a dedicated mother and wife, arguing that these factors should be considered in the sentencing phase. They painted a picture of a woman who had made positive contributions to her community and whose actions, they claimed, did not reflect the core of her character. Additionally, they argued that Julie had already faced significant personal and professional consequences due to the legal battle, suggesting that a more lenient sentence would be appropriate given the circumstances. However, the judge's recent denial of Julie Chrisley's special request has sent ripples through the legal and entertainment communities. The decision came as a blow to Julie's defense team and her supporters, who had hoped for a more favorable outcome. The judge's ruling was based on a thorough evaluation of the evidence and the nature of the charges, with a focus on ensuring that justice was served in accordance with the law. The denial of the special request has sparked a flurry of reactions from various quarters. Supporters of Julie Chrisley have expressed disappointment, arguing that the decision overlooks the broader context of her contributions and personal circumstances. They contend that the judge's ruling may not fully account for the complexities of Julie's situation and the impact of the legal battle on her life. On the other hand, critics argue that the judge's decision underscores the importance of accountability, regardless of an individual's public persona or charitable efforts. They view the ruling as a necessary step in reinforcing the principle that legal consequences should be proportionate to the actions taken, particularly in cases involving financial misconduct. The impact of this decision extends beyond the legal realm. The Chrisley's reality show, which has been a staple of the USA Network's programming, faces uncertain prospects as the legal drama continues to unfold. The show's portrayal of a lavish lifestyle and family dynamics is juxtaposed against the serious legal issues facing its stars, creating a complex narrative that resonates with viewers and critics alike. In the wake of the judge's ruling, there are questions about what lies ahead for Julie Chrisley and her family. With the special request denied, the focus now shifts to the sentencing phase and the potential outcomes that could shape the Chrisleys' future. The legal process is expected to continue, with further developments likely to emerge as the case progresses. For Julie Chrisley, the denial of the special request represents a challenging moment in an already tumultuous period.